Here we've got IGET Smart L203, and let me show you how to update applications on this device. So if you want to get the latest updates, you need to open your Play Store, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, and then tap on your account. Go to My Apps and Games, and here at the first panel you will notice updates. So here you've got all apps that can be updated, and also those which have been recently updated. As you can see, currently I do not have any app to update. However, if there will be something, it will be right above recently updated. You'll be able to smoothly click on not open but update icon to update this particular app. So this is it. This is how you can update apps. Here you can find the updates. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.